Before we get started, I want to share with you a quote that when I heard it many, many years ago, a giant light bulb went off. It goes like this. It's from Marianne Williamson and her book, A Return to Love. She writes, "Our greatest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our greatest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be gorgeous, talented, fabulous, and brilliant? Actually, who are you not to be? You are a child of God. Your playing small doesn't serve the world. There's nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We were born to make manifest the glory of God that is within us. And it's not just in some of us, it's in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others." End quote. Right? My company is called 1,000-watt presence because I believe that there is this light that each of us were born with. We were all born with the same light and the same amount of light. But we live in this crazy, chaotic world, and somewhere along the way we block ourselves from that deep connection to our light. And with those blocks, we start to feel smaller and more hesitant and more uncomfortable sharing who we truly are with the world. So what I do is I help you reconnect to that light. I help you get out of your own way and then empower you with the skills to articulate yourself brilliantly wherever you go. And that can be one-on-one with another person. It can be on stage. It could be in a boardroom. It can be with your employees, your friends, your family. It could be on television. Whatever that is, once you have those skills, and they don't go away, by the way, they just get better and better. Once you have those skills, you are in flow. You are just a messenger for that message that you have, that skill that you have, that product that you have, that gift that you have, so that you can serve the world. That's the truth. And it's so much fun. And you're much happier. And then, of course, you're not doing it just for yourself. You're also touching everybody that you come into contact with because your presence automatically liberates other people. So, I am excited to join you on this journey. But what is it going to take for you to put these skills into practice? Here you are with this course right in front of you. It's available on your phone, on your laptop. You can listen to the MP3s in the car when you're taking a walk in the neighborhood. But what is it going to take for you to take these little morsels of information and implement it in your life? There's one word: action. It's true, action. You have to make a commitment to do something. Because I'll tell you, this is not like sitting on your couch and watching whatever you TiVoed. This is something that you are meant to let wash over you in terms of taking in the information, listening to it over and over again, watching the videos. But then at the end of each video will be a call to action. There will be a worksheet, an activity, a challenge, something for you to take this information and implement it in everyday life. Because it's up to you. It's not a concept that I'm teaching. It's a path. And when you commit to doing the path and making those subtle changes, and I'm not talking huge amounts of homework. This is not something where you have to stop what you're doing and change your whole life. No. This is about taking the suggestions and putting them into practice and then seeing the change for yourself. So take a look at the course and then look at your calendar. Make a schedule for when you are going to watch each module, when you are going to complete the exercises, and then do it. Now, along the way, I will be inviting people for Q&A sessions on Google Chats, live Google Hangouts. We'll be hanging out. And even if you can't make it, there is an element of dialogue. So it's not like I'm not able to be reached. Trust me. But this work is yours and yours alone. It's easy, It's fun, and you can do it. I know you can. I've watched thousands of people do it. And now is your time. So make the commitment. Your light deserves to shine brilliantly. Let's get started.